Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things smart buying. Today we're putting two sky-high contenders head-to-head. The Holystone GPS drone HS360S on the left and the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter on the right. Buckle up because we're about to dive into an aerial showdown of epic proportions. First up, let's talk about the all-important price tag. The Holystone HS360S is priced at $209. Now that's not just a chunk of change, it's a whole gold nugget. On the other hand, the Gloral drone is a bit kinder to your wallet at $179. That's $30 cheaper. According to reviewers, the Gloral drone offers great value for its price, especially for beginners. Now, let's get our cameras rolling. The Holystone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. It's got an 85 degrees wide angle and can be adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or app. Reviewers love its image quality and stable flight, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone also packs a 4K camera, but ups the ante with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers note that it has impressive stability and good battery life, making it great for wider, sweeping shots. Next, let's see how far these babies can fly. Holystone claims a whopping 10,000 feet range with a 20-minute flight time. Reviewers appreciate its long transmission range and stable flight. Gloral, on the other hand, offers a more modest flight range, but gives you a generous 46 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. Reviewers highlight its outstanding battery life and ease of use. Holystone brings the heat with GPS positioning, return home functionality, and a slew of intelligent recording modes like spiral up, catapults, and one-tap ascension. Reviewers find these features particularly useful for advanced photography and real estate purposes. Gloral isn't sitting quietly in the corner though. It boasts GPS follow, route planning, fly around 360 degrees, and intelligent automation features. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly interface and reliability. For all you rookie pilots out there, both drones have got your back. The Holystone HS360S offers beginner mode and optical flow positioning to make sure you don't crash into Aunt Karen's prize-winning rose bushes. Reviewers find it easy to use and great for beginners. Gloral steps up with features like app-controlled altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, obstacle avoidance, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjust. Reviewers love its ease of control and setup, making it ideal for new users. Last but not least, let's talk design. The Holystone HS360S is lightweight and less than 250 grams, so you don't need to deal with FAA or remote ID registration. Reviewers praise its compact and efficient design. The Gloral drone is also compact and foldable, making it as portable as a travel toothbrush. Reviewers commend its robust build quality and portability, making it perfect for spontaneous trips. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Holystone HS360S is praised for its image quality, stable flight, and advanced features, making it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone is highlighted for its affordability, ease of use, and impressive battery life, making it ideal for beginners and those looking for a versatile drone. So which drone should you choose? If you're all about long flight times and saving some cash, the Gloral drone might just be your new best friend. But if you want top-notch camera quality and extensive flight range, the Holystone HS360S is your go-to gadget. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product showdowns and smart buying tips. Until next time, keep flying high, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.